5 healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss. It seems like every health expert recommends starting the day with a nutritious breakfast, but sometimes it can be hard to come up with ideas that are both healthy and satisfying. If you're looking to cut down on calories and lose weight, check out these breakfast recipes that will help you start your day off right. But before we get into it, have you subscribed to our channel? We have tons of new helpful tips for weight loss every single day, so what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, so you will never miss an update. Number 1. Overnight oats. If you're looking for a healthy breakfast option that will help you lose weight, overnight oats are a great choice. Oats are high in fiber, which can help you feel fuller longer, and helps to regulate blood sugar levels. Adding some protein to your oats, such as Greek yogurt or almond milk, will also help to keep you feeling satisfied until lunchtime. Number 2. Chia seed pudding. When it comes to healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss, chia seed pudding is a great option. This pudding is high in protein and fiber, which will keep you feeling full until lunchtime. Plus, it's an easy way to get your daily dose of omega-3 fatty acids. To make this pudding, simply combine chia seeds with almond milk, honey, and vanilla extract. Let it sit for a few minutes to thicken, then enjoy. Number 3. Smoothies. If you're looking for a healthy breakfast option that will help you lose weight, consider making a smoothie. Smoothies are a great way to get all of the nutrients your body needs without consuming a lot of calories. Plus, they are easy to make and can be enjoyed on the go. To make a weight loss smoothie, simply combine your favorite fruits and vegetables with some water or low-fat milk. Then, add a source of protein such as Greek yogurt or almond butter. Blend everything together until smooth and enjoy. Number 4. Breakfast burrito bowl. If you are looking for a healthy breakfast option that will help you lose weight, try a breakfast burrito bowl. This dish is packed with protein and fiber, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. Plus, it's easy to make and can be customized to your liking. Simply start with a bed of cooked rice or quinoa, then add black beans, diced tomatoes, avocado, and a variety of other toppings. Finish it off with a dollop of Greek yogurt or hot sauce, and you've got a delicious and nutritious breakfast that will help you reach your weight loss goals. Number 5. Avocado toast. If you're looking for a delicious and nutritious breakfast that will help you lose weight, avocado toast is a great option. This tasty dish is packed with healthy fats and fiber, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied all morning long. Plus, it's easy to make and can be customized to your liking. Simply top your favorite whole grain toast with some fresh avocado slices, a sprinkle of sea salt, and a squeeze of lime juice. Remember, it's important to start your day with a nutritious meal to fuel your body and mind for the rest of the day. So try out these recipes and see which ones you like best. And don't forget to share your own healthy breakfast ideas in the comments below.